India's domestic investors are stepping up, but foreign investors are quietly stepping back. What's driving this contrasting confidence? And what does it mean for India's growth story? Let's decode the Hindu editorial, Domestic Vitality, through the Teach trick. The Hindu editorial explanation. Domestic vitality. On investment announcements, policy implications. Domestic firms show more faith in India than foreign investors. Background. India's economic growth story has long relied on a trinity of investments. Key Cap 1 Government capital expenditure, CapEx, Key Cap 2 Private sector investment, both domestic and foreign, Key Cap 3 Public-Private partnerships, PPP. While post-pandemic recovery boosted government spending, private investment, especially from foreign firms, FDI, has lagged. The latest Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, CMIE, data shows that the momentum is now shifting back to domestic players, signaling internal economic confidence but also exposing structural weaknesses in attracting global capital. Main news. Key Cap 1 investment trends. Total new private sector project announcements, 9.9 lakh rupees crore, 15-month high. Indian firms' share rose from 77% in FY19 right pointing arrow to 94% in H1 FY26. Foreign firms' announcements down to 0.6 lakh rupees crore, marking a 5-year low. Government's new projects 1.5 lakh rupees crore, down 71% YoY. Right finger interpretation. Domestic firms are now the primary drivers of India's investment growth, while foreign investment confidence continues to decline. Key Cap 2 Why domestic firms are optimistic. Strong manufacturing revival, linked to PLI, production-linked incentive schemes. GST rate cuts boosted post-pandemic business sentiment. Private CapEx push aligns with government's Make in India narrative. Reduced dependence on foreign capital creates greater fiscal flexibility for the government. Key Cap 3 Why foreign investors are pulling back. Global slowdown and trade tensions post-COVID. US-India tariff frictions affecting market confidence. Regulatory unpredictability and complex compliance norms. Emerging alternatives, Vietnam, Indonesia, Mexico, offering smoother supply chain integration. Despite global FDI outflows rising by 11%, 2024, and 3%, 2023, India saw decline, suggesting internal structural issues. Key Cap 4 Government investment trend. Public CapEx slowdown due to fiscal prudence. With both foreign and government investment tapering, domestic private players now carry the momentum burden. Conclusion. Policy implications. India's investment pattern now highlights two realities. Key Cap 1 strength. Domestic confidence in India's growth story remains strong. Key Cap 2 weakness. Declining foreign investor participation reflects global competitiveness concerns. Policy implications. Solutions. Checkmark simplify business regulations and reduce bureaucratic friction. Checkmark maintain policy consistency and faster environmental land approvals. Checkmark rebuild global investor trust through diplomacy and tax clarity. Checkmark boost innovation and R&D through credit support and technology partnerships. India must ensure that domestic vitality becomes the foundation, not a substitute, for sustainable inclusive growth.